Oh, that is nice. Look at that coverage. That is dreamy. Doing a quick review on this multifunctional oiler. I was over at a friend's house and asked her where the oil was, and she showed me this, and I sprayed some oil and it was so easy. I was like, oh, I need one of these. And I ordered two, and the reason I ordered two was because we use avocado oil and we use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And I wanted to make sure I had one green is for avocado, obviously, and I wanted white, but the set only had green and black. So guess we'll have to do with this. It comes with the thing not installed. I don't know why. On this one, so you get that out of there. Bam, there we go, we got it. So make sure you install that before you start getting oil. So you see, oh, that goes right to the bottom. That gets all the oil out. Let's make sure this one's good. Push that all the way in. All right. Avocado, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these. I'll be right back. All right, now that these have dried out a little bit, make me a nice quesadilla. All right, so got those dry. Now, let's go ahead and pour our oils. So I got some virgin olive oil, and I also have some oils here. So the reason I'm getting rid of them, this right here is really janky, and I'm getting sick of the oil not coming out the way it's supposed to. So we're gonna toss it, and I'll go ahead and pour the remainder of this oil in here. Let's pour some more in here. I love that you don't have to worry about filling it up to a certain level, because if you stick this in, it overflows. I love that. All right. And we have the first one in. Get that screwed on tight. Not too tight, you don't want to break it. And wow, that's a good amount of oil. All right, so I'm gonna cook me a quesadilla in oil, but first we gotta one trick I learned from making a great quesadilla is you have to put oil. Well, some people use butter, but I just like using oil. But you have to put oil on the back of your quesadilla, of the tortilla. So let's go ahead and spray a little oil. Oh, I feel it coming through. Here it is, our first squirt. Oh, that is nice. Look at that coverage. Oh, yeah, this is dreamy. That is dreamy. That is dreamy. And then if I wanted to pour oil, I could just do like that. And that's the main reason I bought this, was because there are times when I want to pour it, but most of the times I want to spray it. And I'm sick of buying these cans. I'm not sick of it, but these cans only last so long, and I don't like buying two different types of oils. I'd much rather buy one type of oil that I can use multiple ways, and that's what this allows us to do. We can now buy just avocado oil, and now we can spray it, or we can pour it. So that's all I'm going to talk about for this amazing little device. Once again, I got two of them. I still have to do the oil for the olive oil, but right now I'm focused on cooking me some food, so I'm starving. But thank you for watching. I'm going to go ahead and make my food now and get some food in my belly. Thank you again.